Imagine a narrow stretch of water, only about 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point. Now imagine that 1/5 of the world's oil must pass through it. Every day. Welcome to the Strait of Hormuz, the tiny corridor that quietly controls the heartbeat of the global economy. This narrow waterway sits between Iran to the north and Oman and the United Arab Emirates to the south. But geography alone doesn't explain its power, because through this passage flows the economic lifeblood of the modern world. A river of oil. Every single day, around 20 million barrels of oil move through the Strait of Hormuz. That's oil coming from some of the world's biggest producers: Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Iran. These tankers sail toward the energy-hungry economies of Asia, Europe, and beyond. If the strait closed, even briefly, the consequences would ripple through every petrol station, airline ticket, shipping cost, and supermarket price in the world. Yes, even in Australia. The choke point that could shake the world. What makes the strait so dangerous is this. At its narrowest, the shipping lanes are only about 3 kilometers wide in each direction. Thousands of massive oil tankers must squeeze through that corridor. Now imagine a military conflict, naval mines, drone attacks, or even just one tanker blocking the channel. Suddenly, the world economy starts holding its breath. Oil prices spike. Stock markets panic. Shipping insurance skyrockets. And within days, the cost of living rises everywhere. Why the strait is always in the news. For decades, tensions involving Iran, the United States, and Gulf nations have turned this tiny waterway into one of the most militarized shipping lanes on Earth. Warships patrol it, satellites monitor it, and global markets react instantly to anything that happens there. Because everyone understands one uncomfortable truth: the modern world runs on energy. And a huge part of that energy passes through a corridor smaller than many cities. Now, here's the question. Think about this for a moment. What would happen if the Strait of Hormuz closed for just 1 week? Would oil prices double? Would global trade slow down? Would the world economy go into shock? Or would countries find a way around it? Let's ask you. Tell us in the comments, do you think the Strait of Hormuz is the most important shipping lane on Earth? Or is there another choke point that could cause even bigger chaos? And here's another one. If this route were blocked tomorrow, which country would suffer the most? China? Europe? The United States? Or the entire world? The Strait of Hormuz may look like just a narrow blue line on the map, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful pieces of geography on Earth. A place where energy, politics, and global wealth collide every single day. And the world is always watching.